So far, it's going great. In fact, I must say that this is the second time that I'm attending the servant leadership program. I have attended once in 2020, but that was a remote model from home.
Okay.
But this time I saw there were a lot of new subjects and topics which were covered, which was good, absolutely meaningful. And the main difference between 2020 and this year is that I could interact with a lot of people, so definitely it was a very good session so far.
One.
This is my 18th year in UST,
Wow.
and from the very beginning, I have been taking care of client visits and customer experience. So far, the journey has been great, and I'm absolutely thankful. Before I talk about the key takeaways, I want to, um, let you know that servant leadership must have started long back. Maybe in our company it started in 2018. That's what I hear officially.
Yes.
But when I joined in 2006, until now, I have seen or met and have been lucky to work with leaders who were already practicing servant leadership. um, what is servant leadership I have known now in 2020 when I attended the workshop, but I could feel that the leaders were already practicing that. The key takeaways for from this session is that as a company, what we talk, we implement. So we walk the talk. We talk about values all the time. We talk about our culture, and that's what we are doing in every single training or every single conversation that we make. And that again is there in servant leadership. So I feel that what we talk, we preach. In fact, that's the right question, and how I can take it forward is also, you guys have helped me how to take it forward with the MSLA report. That itself is a benchmark for me to understand personally where I stand within the company, within the group, uh, with our colleagues. So with that report, it gives me a clear indication where I need to work more. And I think that's how I will take it forward. There are a couple of areas where improvement is required, and there are a couple of areas where I underestimated myself, but I am doing pretty well there. I think that's a great balance, and I've also known how to take it forward, how I can deal with people and with situations more humbly, more with finding out how the other person feels with more perseverance. So all of those things will definitely help me take it forward, and this workshop has completely changed how we work. Before I talk about how servant leadership is going to help in a company which is only going and making sure that the revenue is high, when I joined, I'm in support.
Yes.
And usually in an IT industry, it's only numbers, it's people who are billable, they are the people who get the money. But that concept has completely changed after coming to UST, because, or any industry for that matter, support people maybe in HR or finance, they go hand in hand to make sure that there's a company's growth. If the people are good in the company, if the people have certain set of values, they appreciate the other people, they respect the other people in such a way, and that same will reflect to our customers. When customers from Fortune 500 or Global 1000 companies visit us, I feel, we of course we get the deal, or we get selected as their partners with the work we showcase. But I feel the majority of the clients close only because they see the people how they are at the ground, and what values the company is instilling in the employees, and how much the company is working towards the individual personal growth of an individual. um, so I think that's absolutely important, and it goes hand in hand. Servant leadership is the way to go forward for any company or any business to function, for that matter, because I feel that it's the people who are important. Company or the brand is there, but the brand and the company is made only from the people it has. In fact, I have bought my entire team to attend this a session, and I will encourage many more people to definitely be a servant leader.